Welcome to Crimson Guitars. Stop talking. Welcome to Crimson Guitars. Stop laughing. Welcome to Crimson... You playing with your phone? Welcome to Crimson Guitars and welcome to an interview. You fantastic people ask us things for the Q&A in the podcast and things like that often, and we answer a question at a time. But I thought it would be interesting to have one of our students, Chase, in this case. Sup.
Which other trade professions have had a prominent influence on your making?
Excluding luthiers completely.
Yes.
So any
Which
instrument
other,
building.
yeah.
Which any instrument building. Excluding
Instrument building or just building? He didn't say
I
instruments, he
said making, so
making,
I meant
anyway.
guitar making, yeah.
Yeah, so because then the easy jump is classical instruments. I feel.
Are you talking about just instrument making or crafts of any sort?
You were talking about jewellery, you were talking about other...
Yeah. That is the most important thing about everything. You can't be blinkered. I spent a lot of time just reading guitar books, just looking at reviews in magazines. You know magazines? They have paper.
I get mine in PDF form, but I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah,
Fair enough.
it's 2018.
I used to cut them out and put them in folders and then never look at them again. But yeah, that's all I did. And if I had at that early stage, I'm not sure if the microphone picked that up.
It probably did. It picks up everything. Sorry. No. It's just all we heard was just like.
It's a very happy sound.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh,
I heard pain.
Yeah. Sorry, go on.
Yeah, if I'd started listening to other makers or reading books about other things earlier, I would be a much better builder now. Hell, if I hadn't started making videos, I'd be a much better builder. Spent more time building than... We've nearly 1,000 videos now.
That's impressive.
Wow.
No, it's insane.
Is that 1,000 online?
That's 1,000 that are actually still available, I think, or thereabouts. Anyway,
Congrats.
jewellery is excellent to watch. Leather work is excellent to watch, although not quite so applicable to guitar building. I don't want to build a leather-covered telly.
Phil.
But I suppose the most influential is probably engineering videos. I watch people like Clickspring, for example.
He's awesome.
He's mind-blowingly talented,
yeah.
And also very good from the video point of view to watch, to influence what we do. Although, well, there's always something to aspire to, I suppose.
Yes.
So yeah, engineering videos. I will watch happily hours and hours of people playing with surface grinders just to see what they can do, and it will influence the ideas. Sign writers, letter cutters, stuff like that. I'm doing some sign writing at my shop at the moment, and I'm seeing things that I'm going to start doing in guitars. In fact, I did some sign writing for the main sign of the shop, and that got me into the feel of doing carving other than normal guitar carving. And the 90-hour build, as a direct result of that, has changed to this insane, very heavily carved sort of alien life form eating the guitar. It's going to be insane, and it's directly as a result of spending 4 days hunched over a sign and carving letters. So yeah, just watch. You never know what's going to influence you. Seriously, there's a lady who does, I think she's just Cook That or something like that, and she makes miniature, she's got a freaking doll's house kitchen on YouTube.
Yeah, right.
Literally, she's got a tea light in the oven and she cooks mini profiteroles. Tinsy freaking profiteroles that big that are editable. I mean, edible.
Editable.
She edited them.
She edits them and then makes them editable.
Shrink ray.
And yeah, it's mind blowing, and that gets me thinking down different paths from a design point of view.
Yeah.
So it's all interesting as long as you're open to it.
Yeah.
I mean,
the open mindset, absolutely.
yeah, very much so.
Yeah, in terms of what I want, it's a lot of kind of modern furniture making, a lot of Japanese marquetry and box making techniques and all that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, just read Ayn Rand when I was young, and that heavily influenced how I like to design things, trying to remove as much as possible. You know, it's yeah, it can come from anywhere.
Absolutely. Fine furniture making is something I, you know, totally forgot about. It really is. Some of those things those guys do. Do you know who the chap was that did the split, where you've got a plank of wood and then you make saw cuts that it opens out?
Oh, into that.
That I don't remember his name.
That was
but it
amazing.
is fantastic. Yeah.
I'm going to do a guitar like that.
Mm-hmm.
I think that would be absolutely amazing. And I watched that video and it's like, boom, right there. Shit, I'm going to do a guitar like that. More clickbaity. There's all of the wood turners doing colour pencils in resin. We're going to have to, while that's still a clickbaity thing, we're going to have to do a video like that because we can. Why not?
Yeah, absolutely.
So, yeah. James?
I don't know, apart from what you've covered, I don't really build anymore, or design, so...
No, you cause people to build and design, don't you?
Yeah, I do. But that's... I suppose some inlay stuff, like the Orca stuff, was all from looking at different inlays. But yeah, pretty much the same things that you guys have watched, but I'm doing less building, so
Yeah.
it's kind of...
Spend as much time as possible watching other makers do other things. You never know when inspiration is going to hit and what techniques are going to be applicable.
Yeah.
So there you go. Thank you for watching this part of this, what is turning into a rather insanely long video series. What are we calling it? Chasterview. It's the Chasterview. That sounds weird. Yeah, there we go.
We'll go with it.
Chase is interviewing us. Come back for more, unless this is the last one, in which case you're not going to be watching me. So, hey, goodbye.